Everything you need to balance your thyroid and fight constant inflammation is in this juice. We are going to show you the best homemade drink which will help you balance your thyroid gland, improve its function and fight inflammation. Find out more about this incredible drink, but first I would like to say a few words about the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, here's what you need to know. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped gland located at the base of the neck. This gland plays an important role in many different metabolic processes and functions in the human body. You should also know that the thyroid gland secretes thyroxine, a hormone involved in regulating metabolism, heart rate and growth and development in children. Well, you can easily locate it between the top of your throat, Adam's apple region in men, and the top of your breastbone. In fact, the thyroid is in the small space in between. Now first we're going to show you the most common types of thyroid gland disorders, and then we're going to show you the best way to treat and cure thyroid gland. Thyroid gland disorders. Facts you must know. Here's what you need to know. Well, the experts say that there are two types of thyroid disorders. Hyperthyroidism, which usually occurs when the thyroid is overactive and produces too many hormones. These are the most common symptoms of hyperthyroidism: difficulty focusing on one task, forgetfulness, changes in eating habits, elevated heart rate and palpitations, menstrual problems, fatigue, feeling hot, sweating, sleeping difficulties, racing thoughts, depression, anxiety, or irritability and weight loss. And hypothyroidism, this type of thyroid gland disorder usually occurs when the thyroid gland is underactive, so it doesn't produce enough thyroid hormone. These are the most common symptoms: brittle nails, constipation, weight gain, muscle cramps, decreased menstrual flow, swelling in front of the neck, fatigue, dry skin and hair, etc. The most effective homemade drink to balance your thyroid gland. You shouldn't be worried because we are going to show you the best and most effective way to treat and cure your thyroid gland. Yes, we're going to show you how to make this homemade drink, which will help you improve the function of the thyroid gland. This homemade drink is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 7 cups of filtered water, 1 cup cranberry juice, 3/4 of a tablespoon of fresh orange juice, 1/4 of a tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1/4 of a tablespoon nutmeg, 1/4 of a tablespoon of dried ginger, half a tablespoon cinnamon. Directions: it's very simple. First you need to bring the water to boil and then add the cranberry juice and the spices. Let it boil for 20 minutes and then you should remove it from the heat. Leave it until it's cool enough and then you need to add the orange and lemon juice. Enjoy your drink. Ingredients: lemon and orange juice are loaded with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant and is very important for maintaining the health of the thyroid gland. Ginger is loaded with magnesium, which is excellent for treating this health problem. You should also know that cinnamon has the ability to reduce inflammation and reduce the risk of hypothyroidism. Blueberries contain high amounts of iodine, which has a great role in the production of thyroid hormones. In order to maintain the thyroid gland's health, make sure to increase the intake of vitamin B12, D and selenium. Extra tips: first, you should know that fish and shellfish contain iodine, so make sure to eat one of them 4 times a week. Also add iodized salt and seaweed. Make sure you visit your doctor regularly because these symptoms can be the same with symptoms of other diseases. Warning: don't use non-stick pans because the chemicals accumulated in them are related to thyroid disorders. You should be very careful if you're eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. Why? Because they contain chemical compounds that slow the thyroid activity.